Hi, Corey, owner of the OC Bike Garage, and I wanted to talk to you today about the importance of fork and shock service. So, forks and shocks are often overlooked for service because they don't show signs of damage. They may be functioning properly, but just below the seals, we can see what damage is occurring. So as you're riding, dirt begins to pass by these seals and get caught in the seal and foam O-ring. So you can see we've got a lot of dirt buildup here. And what happens is as the forks are sliding up and down, the dirt acts like sandpaper digging into the fork stanchions. It can cause oil leaks, damage to the stanchions, and costly repair bills. So remember, service your forks and shocks often. We recommend at least once a year or 50 hours of riding. Thanks a lot and have a great day.